Hey notaries, Christian here with a new video, and we've got to talk about notary laws in relation to immigrants. In the state of California, no person who advertises as an immigrant expert or counselor is permitted to also advertise as a notary public. A non-attorney notary who advertises in a foreign language must post disclaimers in English and the foreign language stating the notary is not an attorney and may not give legal advice, along with the schedule of the fees the notary is allowed to charge by law. They are also prohibited from using the Spanish term notario público or notario in writing or orally, and a non-attorney notary must be registered and bonded as an immigrant consultant in order to enter information provided by a client on immigration forms. So in the state of California, often you know what? I've only seen this once. An advertisement in Spanish that said Notario Público, but in the state of California, we have a lot of Spanish-speaking signers, and it's happened to me before where I go to a signing and the client says, "Hey, you're really young to be a notario, or you're too young to be a notario." And the reason that is because in, for example, like let's say Mexico and other Latin American countries, a notario is something close to a lawyer, or I believe it is the equivalent of a lawyer. But the whole point is that they have plenty of authority, and it takes years and years and years of school to gain that title and that position. And so when they see me, they're really surprised to know that, or to, in their mind, think that I'm a notario because of the similarity in the words, and, you know, we're dealing with legal paperwork. However, I always inform them that, no, I'm a notary public. I'm witnessing documents. While our job is very relevant and important, it doesn't take as much schooling as a notario or a notario público. But I don't think they use notario público. I think they just call it notario. But so it doesn't take as much schooling. So, you know, I always have to let them know, you know, hey, I'm a notary. You know, I know in Mexico, a notario is like a lawyer, but, you know, not out here. And yeah, so they really do emphasize on this, and there is a penalty for, you know, advertising in Spanish and using the words notario público, because a lot of people have been taken advantage of in the past when, you know, they think they see notary public and they assume notario público, and they think that, you know, you have these powers that you really don't, and this authority that you really don't. And so in the past, I guess there's been cases where notary publics will overcharge for their services, you know, like thousands of dollars, and then just disappear. Or you know, they'll create some legal paperwork that was all messed up and charge thousands of dollars, like as if they were attorneys, and the people would pay it because, you know, they thought that they were a licensed attorney, but, you know, they were really just a notary public. So yeah, that's why there's such an emphasis on that, and so don't do it. I've only seen it once, and I was so surprised. I'm like, wait, but they really emphasized on this during the course. This is something huge, and this is me assuming that all courses are similar, you know, but maybe they took a bad course and they never got that point across. But yeah, I only saw it one time. Hopefully they took the sign down before they got a penalty, because that is you will get a fine for that. Alright guys, so that does it for this video. Please leave comments below. info@mynotaryclass.com is my email. If you have any questions and you want to email me directly, go ahead. Also, please check out the Ollin coin ICO. The link is in the description box to the video. And Ollin coin ICO, all I can say is that we have the best use case for blockchain technology right after currency. I can't think of any other use case for blockchain technology better than for notary. That's is pretty much it. I don't think that product tracking is better than storage of notarial data and all the tamper and fraud proof elements to the blockchain that could be applied to the notary process. So please check out the white paper. You won't be disappointed. You'll understand that blockchain technology will be implemented in the notary process whether I do this successfully or not, or someone else does it's going to be implemented because, like I said, it's the second best use case for blockchain out there, right after cryptocurrency. So, okay, thanks guys. Go ahead and check out the next videos. See you then. Bye.